How to appear offline on WhatsApp Android. First, open your WhatsApp app, tap on three dots at the top right corner, then tap on settings. You will see privacy option here. Tap on it. Now you need to make two changes. Tap on last seen and online. From who can see my last seen, select nobody. Then from who can see when I am online, select same as last seen. Now go back and turn off the read receipt toggle, and that's it. This is how you can appear offline on WhatsApp Android.